In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view changes to your workflow in HubSpot. If you've ever wondered who modified a workflow, when it happened, or what exactly changed, HubSpot's revision history makes that clear. We'll walk through how to find it and use it to understand your workflow's timeline. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. If you already know the URL, you can go directly there or use a bookmark to save time in the future. Next, log into your HubSpot account. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're in the correct portal for the workflow you want to inspect. You may be prompted for two-factor authentication. That's normal and helps keep your data secure. Also, note that viewing workflows and their history may require the right permissions, so if something doesn't appear, check with your administrator. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the automation section. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Automation is where HubSpot groups all workflow-related tools. Click Workflows. This opens the list of workflows in your account. Here you can scan the list or use filters and search to quickly locate the workflow you want to review. It's helpful to know the name or a keyword so you can find it faster. Click the specific workflow you want to inspect. This brings you into the workflow editor, where you can see the triggers, actions, and overall structure. Don't worry about making changes right now. We're only here to view the history. At the top of the editor, click the View menu. This menu contains options related to how you see and analyze the workflow, rather than editing its content. From the View menu, select Revision History. A panel or page will open, showing a chronological list of changes. You'll typically see who made each change, when it occurred, and a summary of what was modified, such as enrollment triggers, actions added or removed, or settings updates. Use the timestamps to trace the evolution of your workflow, and read the descriptions to understand the intent behind each edit. If your team collaborates frequently, this history is invaluable for troubleshooting and accountability. That's it. By navigating to Automation, opening Workflows, selecting your workflow, and using the View menu to access revision history, you can confidently track changes and keep your automations tidy and transparent. Before you exit, take a moment to review recent edits and confirm everything aligns with your goals. This simple habit will save time and prevent surprises down the road.